Hello everyone, my name is Caroline Roth. I would like to welcome you to this video in which I will describe our project to develop the Genomic Atlas of Cancers in Africa. With advances in genomic technologies, we are now better able to define the molecular features of cancers. This has been extensively done in cancers occurring in the Western Hemisphere, but unfortunately, even though cancers in Africa are often very different clinically, there have only been limited effort to systematically profile cancers in Africa. So to address this gap, we are developing a collaborative group of institutions across Africa, as we recognize that no single institution will have sufficient cases to profile a disease comprehensively, but that working together will enable us to perform some well-developed and well-designed studies. So for this, we are developing the collaboration with an open approach, as any investigator from any hospital in Africa are welcome to collaborate. The goals of this study are the following. First, we want to define the genomic spectrum of cancers in Africa. Second, we want to help foster the next generation of researchers in Africa who will be able to use genomics in research as well as in clinical settings. Third, we hope to discover new biomarkers and clinical targets that will enable more advanced follow-up studies entirely done in Africa. Our group is highly experienced in genomics and has worked with formalin-fixed tissues that are the standard in Africa and around the world. Our group here at Duke will process, sequence the samples, and analyze the data. We will also train participants from every institution to be able to interpret the genomic results. Importantly, the authorship will belong to investigators in Africa. I will discuss how we will accomplish each goal in the next few slides. We plan to profile all cancer types through DNA and RNA sequencing with a minimum of 3,000 total tumor samples. So our goal is to recruit around 15 institutions, and each institution will provide roughly 200 cases around the spectrum of different common and uncommon cancers, such as lung, breast, colon, and blood cancers. Each institution will also choose a single cancer type that they are interested in, as this will be their main project. We will work with each institution to develop their project and to help publishing a paper based on that project. And we will also help with all aspects of writing the paper and analysis. But again, the authorship decisions, including first and last author, will be made by investigators leading the project. The authors will include every institution in Africa that contributed cases, so we expect that most collaborators will be authors on over a dozen papers in addition to the paper that they will lead. And finally, there will be one paper that describes all the cases together that includes all participating institutions. All patient samples and data will be de-identified, and we hope that they will also include at least a pathology report. In addition, images and clinical data will also be helpful, but not absolutely required. We have developed a website where all this information can be securely uploaded and later on reviewed by a panel of experts. So far, we have enrolled 11 institutions and have over 1,000 samples committed to the study. We already have a robust sequencing assay as well as analysis pipelines to enable us to easily process many thousands of samples. Here is, for example, a short list of institutions already collaborating or expressing interest in the project. We see this project in two phases. Phase 1 is to profile all samples collected, and the publication from this phase should begin in late 2022 to early 2023. Phase 2 will enable genomic technologies in Africa with all the work done in Africa. Hopefully this phase will begin in 2023 after phase 1 is completed. We anticipate that this will be a great opportunity to develop a deeper understanding of cancers in Africa. This project will also enable us to train the next generations of researchers using genomics in Africa. And finally, it will allow the development of new genomic studies that will be entirely done in Africa. I want to thank all the members of our lab here at Duke, as well as all of our collaborators in Africa and around the world. Thank you for your attention, and if you're interested in collaborating with us, please get in touch by email, and we are looking forward to working with you. Thank you.